Look at this. This is what is happening. People are stranded. They're just hoping they can get any transport, whether it's a lorry, whether it's a tipper truck, whether it's anything that can get them home. People are stranded. They are suffering because some people have to make money. Those who are benefiting from the monopoly, those who are supplying the buses and making money, and which buses are not seen anywhere in the ghetto. They are making money at the expense of the many who are suffering. So Zimbabweans, wherever you are, whenever you are passing through, pick 4, pick 5 of our brothers and sisters. This is what they are doing. Getting into any truck, pick any that you can and assist our brothers. We need to stop this. It's only citizens who can stop. Even the officers, they are also in trouble. They are suffering, spending 4 hours, 3 hours in the queue. And people are getting in any open track that they can. Some have got kids. Schools are opening. It is disaster. Complete disaster. So let's fight on. Let's speak against this. Let's organize ourselves and challenge and force the government to change this policy. It's not serving anyone.